in a merry month of June. From me home I started, left the girls at June. Nearly broken hearted, salute to father dear. Kiss me darling mother, drank a pint of beer. Me grief and tears to smother, then off to reap the corn. Leave where I was born, cut a stout blackthorn to banish ghosts and goblins. A brand new pair of brogues, rattling o'er the bogs, frightening all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for in Mullingar that night I rested, limbs so weary, started by daylight, me spirits bright and airy, took a drop of the pure, keep me heart from sinking, that's the paddy's cure, whenever he's on for drinking. To see the lassie smile, laughing all the while, at me curious style, 'twould set your heart to bubbling, and asked if I was hard, wages I required, till I was nearly tired of the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for in Dublin next arrived, I thought it such a pity to be so soon deprived of view of that fine city. Well then I took a stroll, all among the quality bundle it was stole, all in a neat locality. Something crossed me mind, when I looked behind, no bundle could I find. Upon me sick a wobbling, inquiring for the road, said me Connacht brogue wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for from there I got away, me spirits never failing, landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. The captain at me roared, said that no room had he. When I jumped aboard, a cabin found for Paddy. Down among the pace, played some bonny rigs, danced some hearty jigs, the water round me bubbling. When a Holyhead, wished myself was dead, or better far instead, on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for when we safely landed, called myself a fool, I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil, temper I was losing, poor old Aran's Isle, they began abusing. Hurrah me so, says I'm a shillelagh island fly, Galway boys were nigh, and so I was a hobbling with the loud hooray, joined in the affray, we quickly cleared the way for the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for whack for